Welcome to our channel, where we review the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we are comparing two popular air fryers: Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven and Cosori Air Fryer Prola. So let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and hit that subscribe button to never miss our latest reviews. Instant Vortex Plus is priced at $129, while the Cosori Air Fryer Prola comes in at $99. If price is a major factor, then Cosori is definitely the more budget-friendly option. Both appliances offer similar functionality: air fry, broil, roast, and bake. However, Instant Vortex Plus also offers dehydrate and reheat settings, which might be useful for some users. Instant Vortex Plus boasts even crisp technology, which drives top-down airflow for perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results. On the other hand, Cosori Air Fryer Prola utilizes 360 degrees rapid heat circulation technology to achieve the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 85% less fat. It's a tie. Both products come with safety features like overheat protection and auto-off, so safety-wise, they are both equally comparable. Instant Vortex Plus is great for 4 to 6 servings, while Cosori Air Fryer Prola fits enough food for 1 to 4 people. So, if you have a bigger family or like to cook in larger batches, Instant Vortex Plus might be a better choice for you. Both products have non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets and trays, making cleanup a breeze. So another tie. And there you have it, a detailed comparison of Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven and Cosori Air Fryer Prola. Which one you choose will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you want more reviews like this one, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.